Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Sign into your Google account and open Google Forms from the app's menu or Forms. Google.com. Click Blank Form to start a new evaluation template with a clear title and description. Set the form title, add instructions, and state evaluation criteria and deadlines clearly. Open Settings and choose Collect Emails, limit to one response, and response receipts as needed. Enable quiz only if you need auto-grading and assign point values for objective items. Save settings and return to the editor to add specific evaluation questions. Use multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, and paragraph questions for varied evaluation data. Employ linear scale and multiple choice grid questions for numerical or rubric-based scoring. Mark important items required to prevent incomplete submissions and improve data quality. Use response validation for short answer fields to enforce formats like emails or numeric ranges. Add sections and branching to show relevant questions based on earlier responses automatically. Include file upload if you require attachments, and set size limit. Preview the form to test flow, question logic, and required field behavior before sharing. Use collaborator access to co-edit and check scoring maps with colleagues securely. Click Send to distribute via email, link, or embed code for websites and LMS platforms. Choose Responses tab and link a Google Sheet to collect answers automatically and live. Set response limits, closing dates, and turn on email notifications for new submissions promptly. Export results as CSV or filter by question to analyze trends, averages, and response distributions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.